Hey y'all. Hi. Guess y'all wasn't expecting to come back and make a video. Me. But I pop out when I want to. Today I'm going to show y'all how to do this little ruffly hat. And I'm going to be using this yarn. And what hook will I feel like using? Hold on. Alright, so here we go. And I'm using this yarn and this hook, which is a 5mm hook. And you're gonna need just scissors. These are my scissors. I probably don't even use these in a video though, but that's the scissors that I have. But I'm really not gonna be using this yarn because this one is like in decent condition. I'll be using this shit because it's tangled the fuck up. A whole fucking skin. Like the whole damn thing of yarn is just, I don't know. The kids, bruh. My nieces and nephews. I'm gonna just blame it on them because I know it had to be them. But yeah, this one I'm gonna be using, so I guess we're gonna get into the video. Oh, but I'm gonna tell y'all, this one is gonna be like for adult and teen sizing. I'm gonna do another video with the same yarn for kid sizing. Both of them gonna be one size fits most, and you can do your little adjustments if you want to. But let me find the end of this yarn, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all what to do. Wait, while I'm looking for the end of this yarn, I forgot I was supposed to come in and do the part like, welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you've been here before, whatever. I know. Oh, and one thing, my name is ReeCreationss, y'all. Like because my name is literally Ree. So my name is ReeCreationss. These are ReeCreationss, and I also recreate stuff. You get it? Because I'm really her for real. Stop playing with me. Now let me find the end of this, and then I'm gonna be back for real. Okay, so to start, remember we need a 5mm hook and your yarn. My yarn is a weight 4. It's from Red Heart. I forgot the name. Do not mind my finger, y'all. I hurt my finger. If you looked at my community post, then you know I hurt my finger. But yeah, my finger looks so right now. But we're gonna do a magic ring. If you don't know how to make a magic ring, I have a video on that. And then in the magic ring, we're gonna chain 2. But this project, we are going to ignore the chain 2. It's just there to keep our project straight. But you're gonna chain 2, and then you're gonna place 12 double crochet within this magic ring. If you don't know how to do a double crochet, for the people that's like, you move too fast, yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 of those loops, yarn over and pull through 2 more of those loops. And you're going to continue doing this until you have a total of 12 double crochets, okay? And once I have my 12 double crochet, I'm going to show you how to do the next row. Okay, so we're at the end of row 1. I'm going to do my last double crochet. And then I'm going to slip stitch to the top of that chain 2 that we did. Remember, the chain 2 does not count as a stitch. It's just there, so our project would be nice. Okay. Pull that hole closed. I'm going to chain up 2. Now we're going to increase in every space. So we started off with 12. At the end of this row, you should have a total of 24 stitches plus your chain 2. An increase is just 2 double crochets in one space if you're not familiar with that. But yeah, that's all we're gonna do, is just increase around this whole row until we have a total of 24 stitches if you're somebody that counts stitches. So yeah, I'll meet you once I have this row done and show you what to do for the next row. Okay, here I am at the end of my second row, and we're going into our third row. So at the end of this row, we are going to slip stitch into the top of the chain 2. I'm going to chain 2, and we are going to increase in every other space. So we're going to double crochet, increase, double crochet, increase. If you don't really like want to keep track of it, I don't know how to explain it, but for every V you have a first one and a second one. You're always going to increase in the second stitch of the increase. Let me show you what I mean. So we're going to double crochet, and now we're going to increase. Okay, And you're going to do this for a total of 11 more times. You should end up this row with a total of 36 stitches. So double crochet, increase, and then I'll meet you at the end of this row and at the start of the next row. Okay, since we started this row with 1 double crochet, you should end it off with an increase. So that's what I'm doing here, and then off with an increase. I'm going to slip into the top of that chain 2, and we're going to go on to our 4th row. 4 over 4, we are going to chain 2, and then we're going to double crochet, increase, double crochet, increase. Remember, increase is 2 double crochet stitches in 1 space. So double crochet, and then increase through our 2 stitches in 1 space. You're going to do this for a total of 11 more times, and you should end off this row with 12, 24, 36, 48. So you have 48 stitches. We're increasing by 12, so just remember that. Always increasing by 12. So we started off with 12, then we added a stitch 12 times. We got 24. Increase 12 times, got 36. We're about to increase 12 more times, give us 48. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this row, come back at the end of it to show you the next row, and yeah. Okay, so just like every other row, we are going to end off with an increase because we started off with the regular double crochet. Okay, so okay, slip stitch into the top of the chain 2, and now we are on row 5. So what's 5 times 12? 60. So we should have 60 stitches on this row, not including our chain 2. Our chain 2 do not count as a stitch. Don't count this chain 2. If you count the chain 2, your numbers is not going to match my numbers. So you got this chain 2, and for this row we are going to double crochet 3, then increase. So double crochet, increase. Double crochet increasing is 2 double crochets in 1 space. Tell y'all this a lot. You're going to do this 12 times. So you're going to follow the double crochet, increase pattern for 6 times. Oh my gosh, I probably talk too much. I don't even remember what I've been saying. But if it ain't right, then I'll correct it in a comment or something. But yeah, you see I did that 1 time. I'm going to do it 11 more times until I get to the end. And then I'm going to show y'all what to do for the next row. Okay, so I already did my little stitch, which is an increase. We ended with an increase because we started with the regular double crochet. I'm going to slip stitch onto the top of this chain 2, and this is going to be our last row of increasing. So we're going to chain up 2. We are going to double crochet 4, then increase. So double crochet, increase. And at the end of this row, you should have a total of 72 stitches plus the chain 2. So yeah, we're gonna have our 4 double crochets, and then we're going to have an increase. Okay, and this is the last row that we're going to do with increasing. So I'm gonna finish this row off camera like I always do. Then I want to come back to show you what to do next. Okay, so just like those other rows, we are going to end this one with an increase because we started this row with a regular double crochet. Slip stitch into the chain 2 space. Okay, and now we're done. No, we're not. Okay, so now we're done increasing. No, we're done increasing for real. So have a little cutie top portion. But now for the next 7 rows, it's really your preference. We're just going to double crochet as normal. So for the next 7 rows, you're going to chain 2 and just double crochet in every space. No increasing, just regular old double crochet until you have your preferred length. And remember, we are going to be adding some really big ruffles. Mine probably won't be too big, but you can go crazy with the end part if you want to. But yeah, I'm just gonna double crochet as normal. Yeah, so I'll meet you back when we at the little ruffle part, and I'm gonna show you what it look like. Okay, so now that we have our 7 rows of just regular crochet, regular double crochet, no increase and none of that, now we're gonna start working on these ruffles. This shit gonna be a lot of stitches, I can tell you that for sure. So what we're gonna do is chain 2. Remember, your chain 2 do not count as a stitch at all. We're gonna double crochet in this first space. Now we're gonna place 3 double crochet in this stitch. 1, 2, 3, and place 3 double crochet in the stitch after that. Okay, and now what we're gonna do is double crochet 2, and then 3 double crochet in 1, 3 double crochet in 1, double crochet, 3 double crochet in 1, 3 double crochet in 1, double crochet, 3 double crochet in 1, 3 double crochet in 1. And you're gonna do that until you reach the end. So remember, you are going to double crochet, then double crochet 3 in 1, double crochet 3 in 1, double crochet 1, double crochet 1, double crochet 3 in 1, double crochet 3 in 1. Just keep doing that till you reach the end. If you don't really understand this, just leave a comment and I'm gonna try to help you, because that's the best way I can explain, yo. But yeah, we're gonna do this, and it's gonna be the start of our ruffles. I'm gonna meet you once I have this row done to tell you how many stitches you're supposed to have and all that good stuff. Okay, so now that I have this row done, we ended with our 3 double crochet in that space. Now we're going to slip stitch to the top of that chain 2. We're going to chain 2 on top of every plain double crochet. We are going to double crochet where we did 3 double crochet in 1. We are going to increase in all of these spaces, but our increase is just going to be a basic increase, so it's just going to be 2 stitches in 1. Okay, so you're going to increase 6 times, and then we're going to double crochet 2. Okay, so this is my 3rd increase, 4th increase, 5th increase, and 6th increase. Okay, and then we're going to double crochet 2. And then we're going to do this for 18 more times. And what exactly we're going to do is just increase 6 times, then double crochet 2 normal. Increase 6 times, then double crochet, increase 6 times, double crochet, until you get to the end, and then you're going to end off with 3 increases. Okay, so I'm going to meet you once I get to the end. Oh, and I forgot to mention, but for this row you should end off with a total of 150 stitches, because we added a total of 78 stitches to this row for our ruffling. But yeah, I'm going to meet you once this next row of ruffle detail is done to show you what to do next. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, in the description, I'm going to leave correct counts for this row and this row. The reason is because this is a lot of damn stitches. I don't know if I like counting it right now. But that was our last row of ruffling. So the next rows is just going to be for length. You can do however many rows you want to, but I am going to do 2 rows. I'm just going to chain 2 and double crochet normal in every space. Okay, so 1 double crochet per stitch. No increasing, no decreasing, no that. We are just going to double crochet. Then I'm going to come back once I have my 2 rows completed. I'm going to show you what it looks like on my mannequin. if I want to show y'all how it looks on me, because why y'all in my business? What y'all want to see me for? But yeah, I'm gonna do this off camera and then yeah, show y'all what it look like, and you're gonna be done. It don't take that long to do anyway, or for me at least, it didn't take long. But you know, everybody works at a different pace. So yeah.